having said that, we do have tropical storm warnings in place up and down Georgia through Florida and into the Carolinas, mostly South Carolina. Tropical storm warnings, remember, that means those winds will be 39 to 73 miles per hour, and the watch we'll be seeing those in about 36 hours or so. So right along the immediate coast, we need to be careful. The hurricane watch also in place right along the coast as we go through the evening and into tomorrow. Ian's forecast storm, the orange that you see there would be where we would experience those hurricane force gusts, really, up to 74 miles per hour stronger. Watch the yellow area. It's those 40-mile-per-hour gusts on the outside of that, especially to the north, as that slams right up into the coast as we go into Friday. That does mean peak storm surge. You imagine all of that wind getting pushed up into what looks like a little, like a mitt, like a catcher's mitt. All of that getting pushed up into the area, increasing the storm surge, especially closer to high tide. You're talking in the blue areas, 1 to 3 feet of rain or storm surge above the coast, above the ground, and then 2 to 4 in other places. So imagine 4 feet rather of water. That's like a small person, right? A teenager, if you will, a small one. And that's going to be water that's moving into the coast. It's not water that you're standing in. It's not still water. It's moving quickly. It has debris with it. The Fox model shows the forecast as we go through Friday morning. Look at all of the rain hitting South Carolina, and it continues to come down as the storm slowly moves right closer to the coast. When you look at these numbers, that's rain still to come on top of what we're going to experience with the winds. This is saturating, flooding rain, and that saturated ground, obviously not only the flooding concern, but the trees, the power poles, not really in good, stable soil. A little bit of a wind gust can easily topple those trees and those power lines, as well as those cell phone towers. Here's what we got with the storm surge and the winds, rather. Savannah, one area that could be hit, very likely to see some high surf as well as some gusty winds. So up and down the coast, even you think about all the little islands, Hilton Head, Jekyll Island, all the islands just off of the coast there, experiencing some strong storm surge and some gusty winds. Savannah River, there's some information for you. Look at that, very close to record as it goes up. And a lot of these rivers are filling quickly. So it's not like it's a gradual increase where you've got rain that just keeps coming up. It's just going up quickly with all the rain that continues to come down. Not only that, we talked about the tornado threat. We've been watching tornadoes up and down Florida for several days. These bands come through. You've got winds moving in different directions and different elevations here. And of course, that does give us the chance for tornadoes, water spouts off the coast as well. So maybe you've got a boat docked off the coast. It could easily be bubbling around in the water. And of course, the tornadoes are going to be a major concern moving through the next couple of days as well. There's another live shot. St. Augustine, Florida. Visibility is down. That would be a concern with some of these tornadoes that happen quickly, and they could be rain wrapped. So it would be tough to see. Make sure that your phone is charged right now. Prepare for power outages, because you can still watch us and you can still get your notifications. Maybe you know someone who lives there. You can set up on Fox Weather app a notification for the area so you